Now this S shape would be very hard to draw if we just started drawing line, arc, and come around the other way and trying to make those all parallel and set it all up. And especially if you wanted this to be associative and move it around, it'd be very hard to keep that together and control it. And so we're going to take a look at the really simple, easy way to draw this. So we'll jump over to Solid Edge, come over to the Line command, and we'll lock to our reference plane. And as usual, come down to Sketch View, and we'll zoom in a little there. What I'll do is I'll just draw 3 lines, something like we just saw, just sort of a zigzag, and that's the basis of really all we need. And earlier we looked at the offset command. So I'm going to pull down right there and go to Symmetric Offset. So I'll click on Symmetric Offset. It's asking me for an offset width, and let's just try 8 to start. And I can put in a radius, and we can have a cap fillet radius. This is interesting too. Do you want the arc to be right at the end of the line or offset? Well, let's just for fun we'll turn it to offset, and we'll hit OK. Identify the part, right mouse click, and there it is. Now that's a little thin, so I could just come back and undo and do it again. Come back to Symmetric Offset. Instead of 8, let's try 15. And I'll select, right mouse click, and that's a little thicker now. And if I come back up to the Select key and just grab this, and I'm going to grab the line this time, the original line, and if I move that around, let's see what happens. See how I can grab this and just push and pull it about? That's pretty impressive that we can move that around and keep it associative. So much easier drawing 3 lines and being able to push and pull this around, and it all holds together with the radiuses and everything intact. And if you wanted to, you could grab the end of this and possibly swing it all the way around from that S shape to a U shape. Pull this back a little. So again, you can really push and pull and modify this to any sort of direction. Then again, once you have the sketch, it's very easy to come out and just identify the region and lift that up or down and create the 3D solid model.